Dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Tryhackme, which is plotted TMS. I've already spawned the machine earlier. This is the IP address of the target. This time I'd like to use the attack box provided by the Tryhackme to do this penetration. Before we begin today's video, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. As you can see, I've already done the map scanning with the usual options like scene scan, the version scan, and the default script scan. So from the map scanning, of course, the IP address is a bit different from the one I did the machine the last time or earlier. So from the map scanning results, as you can see, we can tell the target has 3 open ports. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service and also the version information. Of course, as we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. The second one is 80, which is running HTTP service and also the version information. And the last one is 445. However, this is not running Samba service. Rather, this is the HTTP service. So we need to take this into consideration as we move forward. So what we are going to do next? We need to do the enumeration for the web application which are running over the port number 80 and 445. Let's launch our browser. I can close down all existing tabs. I think the enumeration is key to this room, and we can put the IP address of the target into the address bar. This is the just default Apache 2 page, and we can scroll down and nothing interesting we can get, and also we can check the source code of this page, and of course this is the CSS code, and we can scroll down. However, nothing interesting we can get from the source code. And the next we can check whether this site has robots file, right? Not found. Next, maybe we can use the nicto to do some enumeration. Nicto, and specify the host or the URL. Let's press enter. The nicto is very good too for the web application enumeration. As you can see, it's telling us like a server information or version information, allowed HTTP methods, and also directory, some directories and files we can get. Of course, we need to check it or check them manually one by one at the min, okay? And we can access this directory, which is admin. However, this is the private key, and we can click on it. However, from the result, we can tell this is not actual private key, and we can copy. Maybe this is encoded by some sort of the operation or algorithm. This time we can utilize the subchef to do the decoding. Subchef. And we can paste or input the data, and we can select the operation. For example, I think it looks like this is the base 64. Trust me, this is not so easy. Now get back to enumeration. All right. And next, we can know that the target has password file. Again, the result is not a password file or content. We can copy this and use the subchef again to decode. Not this easy. So this is some sort of the rabbit hole. And now we can go back to our terminal. Maybe we can use the GoBuster to do the directory enumeration and use the dir command and specify the URL. And as always, I'd like to use the GoBuster word list directory medium, and I'd like to specify the extension option like PHP, HTML, TXT. Let's press enter. To see which. Okay, we got another file shadow. We can access this file by browser. So I think this is another rabbit hole, right? We can copy and use the subchef to decode. Again, this is the same. This is same information as earlier, and we can go back. So I think we cannot get anything or any vector to exploit the target from the port number 80 port number, and I'd like to quit from here. So now I think we need to move forward to another port number 445, right? And we can 445. We got the same default Apache 2 page. And similarly, we can check to see whether we can find out something interesting. And also we can check the source code, nothing. And also we can check this site has robots file or not. Not found. Next, we can use similarly, we can use the Lateral. And 445 followed by 445 port number. Let's press enter. Similarly, we can get some like version information, allowed HTTP methods. Okay, nothing interesting at all. And next, we can use the GoBuster to do GoBuster is my favorite one. Favorite tool to do the web application enumeration, specifically directory enumeration. And we can specify the URL with the option of the U and IP address of the target. And 445. And we need to specify the word list by W option, GoBuster, directory, and medium, and extension option, PHP, HTML, TXT. Let's press enter. We got I think this is must be what we are looking for. The management, we can access this management directory by browser, management. I think this is a traffic offense management system. And then we can use the Google to make some research to see whether, this TMS has exploit or not. I think this has like remote code execution. And of course, at this moment, we do not know the version of this TMS. And if we go back, and also maybe has the SQL injection vulnerability. All right, now we go back and we can check, we can click the login. And first, of course, I've already demonstrated how to exploit the CMS. Usually, the first one we need to do is we can try the admin with admin or weak credential to log in, sign in. However, incorrect. Next, we can try use the login bypass techniques, right? 1 equal 1. And any password, sign in. As you can see, it works. We are successfully logging as the user admin. And you can take a look at the functions of this CMS. All right, I think normally we need to check to see whether we can retrieve or get the version information about this CMS. However, I didn't find that information. And the use list, I think, we cannot do anything. However, if we navigate to settings and we can scroll down, as you can see, we can upload the picture, the image. So maybe we can upload the reverse PHP file, right? And we can go back. Yeah, I'd like to quit from the directory enumeration and clear the screen. Yeah, I've already prepared the reverse shell PHP file. Of course, you can get it from like a Pentest monkey. Also, the attack box has the file already. And after you get this file, you need to modify the IP address of the attack machine. Here, of course, I've already modified. And so now we can, to see whether we can upload this file. Because at this moment, we are not sure whether the target has like a filtering mechanism in place. Okay, and we can check the browse, and we can navigate to our working directory, the shell open, and now we can update. I think the information successfully updated. So this would be very easy. We do not need to bypass some filtering, right? And next we can set up the listener first. And if we go back to this, maybe because this is the image of the CMS, so I think now we just we can get the reverse shell already. As you can see, of course, this is the shell which doesn't look very well. We can spawn the bin bash session, and in order to do that, we need to check the version of the Python. Python 2. Python 2 is not there. Which Python? Sorry about my typing. Terrible. And we can check Python 3. Python 3 is there, and we can execute or import a PTY module. PTY spawn. All right. As you can see, now this shell is much better, and we can navigate to home directory to do the enumeration, right? And at this moment, we are the www data. And next, we can navigate to plot admin. However, at this moment, we do not have permission to retrieve the user flag. Permission denied, and we can go back and go to another directory. However, nothing interesting. So maybe we need to do the more enumeration. For example, we can go to the var directory, and we can go to the www directory and go to the HTML. And we can go to the 80. Admin. I think, under the 80 directory, no interesting information. And we can go back and go to the 445. Go to the management. yeah, we can cut out the config PHP. However, yeah, no password is here. Actually, if you check the directory and the files carefully, we can know that the database collection credentials for database collection is stored in this file initialize PHP file. Yeah, as you can see, here we got the username and password. However, yeah, this is not what we are looking for because yeah, the no other username like this one. Okay, so what can we do? Also, we can check whether the current user, the www, can run the sudo. However, we do not, yeah, because we do not have the password for this user. So we just tried 3 attempts. Next, we can run the find or to locate the SUID binary if you want. However, another thing we can check, etc cron tab, to see whether there is any cron job running at the background. Yeah, it does have and this user prod admin will run this script regularly. So first we can check the permission for this file. No such file? Interesting. No ww. Yeah, very weird. Oh, sorry. I'm in the wrong. Okay, I think I lost the collection. Sorry, I need to. Yeah, I need to. Sorry about that. I think our collection to the target has been lost. Now we can go back. I think we have already got the yeah. We need to do it again. I don't know what caused our collection to be disconnected. And we can go to the var and go to the scripts. As you can see, current user www do not have a permission to modify this backup shell script. However, current user www data has a right to delete this one and create the file with the same file name, right? So, of course, I've already demonstrated this technique very, very, very much already. And so maybe we can back up this or copy this shell script in case we do something wrong, right? Backup. Oh, sorry about that. Now we can, we can remove backup. Then we need to create our own backup shell script locally and upload to the target. And we can use the same file name backup shell. All right, and then we can, of course, you can get the reverse shell command from the Pentest Monkey website, and I've already, you can check the possible ways or commands to run. However, I think this one can work. To save time, I just copy this reversal command. And we can paste in here. And of course, to make sure we use different port number, because we want to spawn the new shell, we can write and quit. And we need to upload this backup shell script to the target. In order to do that, we need to set up the web server locally on the attack box. And then we can go back here. We can use wget utility and the IP address of the attacking machine backup. I think it's saved, and then we need to set up the listener, another listener. And I think now for us, what we need to do now is to wait for this to be connected again. And then we can get another shell. And this shell should belong to another user plot admin, right? Because the backup, sorry, I forgot to make it executable. In order for this script to be executable, we need to change the mode. This file. All right. Now we can go back to this tab to see whether we can successfully get another shell. Because this shell script will be running every minute. We will not wait very long time. I hope so. Sorry, I need to add 1 hour. It's not working. Weird. I need to cut out this file. Python. It should be working. As you can see, we got another shell. Okay, we need to be more patient. Python import pty module spawn. All right. As you can see, we are plot admin, and then we can get the user flag, right? So next we can check whether this user can run sudo. However, we do not have the password for this user. So we just input some random information or any information to do the 3 attempts. Next, we can check to see whether we can find some SUID binary. Type redirect error to the black hole. Okay. I think it's almost done. You know, if the command has SUID bit on, then maybe we can utilize this binary or command to elevate a privilege to root user. I don't know. I don't know why it takes so long time to execute this command. Okay, as you can see, we identify this command or binary to us. If you use the Google engine to make some search, you can know that this command is not a very usual one. And this command can allow us to execute commands as another user, okay? And we can do as, and you can check the configuration for this do as command. As you can see, we can check its configuration information for this file. Do as, etc do as conf. So you can know that we can use this do as command to run open SSL. We cannot run other command. Okay, so open SSL. So however, how to use the open SSL to read the privileged files, GTF opens open SSL. File read, not this one. So we can use this option to read like a root flag, right? So now, sorry about this notification. We can use the US user bin do as, and if you run, we need to specify the username and command, right? Do as, and the username is root, and we want to run SSL, and we want to read the root flag. Of course, also we can read the shadow file at this moment. As you can see, we successfully complete this room. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.